Halloween night. Halloween night.
Welcome to the Green Club Toy Shed, and today I thought I'd make Chelsea a witch's hat. Coming up Halloween, a few days to go till Halloween, so we've got our basic point. So I'll get my tape measure, my ruler, and this is 10 centimeters long, or just over four and a bit inches. It is 6 centimeters wide, or 2.5 inches wide, and I made an ovalish shape to make a cone, and I'm going to measure it on her head. Here we go. And I'm going to glue it. But before I glue it, I might make some white stars on it. So I have these really good pencils, colouring pencils. I'm going to take the white and I'm just going to make some stars on it. There we go, just some silly little stars. So let's glue this in. Let's glue this on. Let's get the right height. There we go. I'm using glue gun today because it's just quicker. Remember, adult supervision when you're using glue guns. So there's our hat. I'm going to trim that bit off. So there's our hat. And then I'm going to use this, the top of the cone, to trace round. Using the wire. And then I'm going to cut it out. Cut the piece of, I'm going to make a circle, a big circle, which is brim of its, which is brim. Right, that goes. So let's trim off the hat a little bit more. Let's stick the hat to the, let's put a little glue all the way around the outside. That's it. Let's take the comb. Just slightly glue around the edge. So don't want too much, just enough to keep it in place. I have these clip-in hair clips, and then what I've done is I've trimmed a tiny little bit off, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this into the hat, put 2 blobs of glue on either side, 2 blobs of glue, and then I'm going to hold the hair like that. And I'm hoping That's it. So I've glued some purple hair to the hat. Trick or treat. And she's all ready for Halloween.